This is Bhavadharini, studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, I'm going to discuss on a case study overview which talks about the topic industrial development in Gujarat, which impacts on wetlands and agricultural livelihood. This comes under the subject environmental protection and management. Introduction. Gujarat is one of the India's most Indianized states characterized by diverse economy that includes textiles, chemical, para-capsules and automotive manufacturing. The state government has actively promoted industrial development through policies aimed at attracting investment, enhancing infrastructures, fostering internship. However, this rapid industrial growth poses significant environmental challenges, particularly regarding the degradation of wetlands and impacts on the agricultural communities. This presentation explores the ecological and social ramifications of industrialization in Gujarat, focusing on the interaction between the economic development, environmental sustainability, and community livelihoods. Wetlands degradation. It is the critical ecosystem that provides essential services including flood control, water purification and habitat for the wildlife. In Gujarat, wetlands such as Nal Sarovar and Run of Kutch are facing degradation due to industrial activity which includes pollution, land reclamation, climate resilience. Pollution. Industrial runoff introduces toxins into water bodies harming aquatic life and reducing water quality. Wetlands areas are often conversional into industrial zones, leading to habitat loss and decreased biodiversity. Climate resilience. Wetlands act as buffers against the climate impacts and their losses vulnerabilities to flooding and drought. Research indicates that the degradation of wetlands can lead to a decline in fish communities reliant on fishing. Impact on agriculture. The conversion of agricultural land to industrial use threatens the livelihood of farmers in Gujarat. Key points which includes loss of arable land as industries expand, fertile agricultural land is lost, directly impacting on food production. Economic strain. Farmers face reduced incomes due to loss of land and increased competition for resources such as water. This economic pressure can lead to the higher levels of debt and migrations to the urban areas in search of alternative livelihood. Disruption of local food systems. The shift from food production to industrial development affects the local food security, leading to a higher food prices and dependence on the external food sources. Public interest litigations, which has emerged as a powerful tool for communities in Gujarat to contest industrial projects that threaten their environment. Roles of PILs, that is public interest litigation. This legal action allows individuals or groups to seek judicial interventions on behalf of the public interest, particularly regarding environmental protection and community rights. Success stories. Communities having successfully halted industrial projects leading to a greater awareness of environmental issues and importance of adhering to EIA findings. Judicial impact. The courts have occasionally ruled in favor of communities, emphasizing the need for more rigorous environmental assessment and the consideration of community impacts. Community engagement. Effective community engagement is essential for sustainable industrial development. Grassroots movements. Local communities have organized protests and awareness campaigns to highlight the negative impacts of industrialization on the livelihood and the environment. Importance of local knowledge. Incorporating local perspectives and traditional knowledge can lead to more effective environmental management and better project outcomes. Engagement strategies. Successful engagement strategies, transparent communication, trust building, and the establishment of forums for dialogue between industry, government, and communities. Environmental impact assessment. EIA process is designed to assess the potential environmental impacts of the proposed projects. In Gujarat, the effectiveness of this process has come under the scrutiny, which includes inadequate regulatory gaps, public participation. Many EIAs fail to address cumulative impacts, how multiple projects may affect ecosystem when considered together. This oversight can result in significant ecological degradation. There is often a lack of stringent enforcement of EIA recommendation, leading to a project being approved without adequate environmental safeguards. While the EIA process includes provision for public consultation, these often fall short in terms of genuine community engagement. Local voices may be marginalized, resulting in decisions that do not reflect the concerns or the need of effective communities. Environmental Impact Assessment. The EIA process is designed to assess the potential environmental impact of the proposed projects. In Gujarat, the effectiveness of this project has come under scrutiny. First one, inadequacy. Many EIAs fail to address cumulative impacts, how multiple projects may affect the ecosystem when considered together. This oversight can result in significant ecological degradation. Regulatory gaps. There is often a lack of stringent enforcement of EIA recommendation, leading to a project that is being approved without adequate environmental safeguards. Public participation. While the EIA process includes the provision for public consultation, these often fall short in terms of genuine community engagement. Local voice may be marginalized, resulting in decisions that do not reflect the concerns or the need of affected communities. Conclusion. The industrial development in Gujarat presents both opportunities and challenges, necessitating a balanced approach to achieve sustainable economic growth while safeguarding environmental and community interest. Aligning industrial policies with sustainable development goals can foster economic growth that respects ecological limits and promotes social equity. Additionally, strengthening regulation and ensuring compliance are the vitals for protecting essential ecosystem while allowing for responsible industrial expansion. Engaging local communities in decision-making process is equally crucial as it ensures that rights are respected and that the development initiative align with the needs. As Gujarat continues to industrialize, integrating environmental consideration into planning will be essential for ensuring long-term sustainability and reliance, ultimately benefiting both the economic and the community that rely on these natural resources. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the interplay between the industrial development, environmental sustainability, and the community livelihood in Gujarat illustrates our complexity of managing growth in a resource limited environment. Moving forward, it is visual to a foster collaboration between government, industry, and communities to create a shared value. Prioritize ecological health alongside economic development to ensure a resilient future. Emphasize education and awareness raising initiative to empower communities to advocate for their rights and environmental protection. By embracing these principles, Gujarat can lead the way in sustainable industrial development that benefits all the stakeholders. Thank you.